लड़की हुई है।
क्या मनहूस चीज पैदा हुई है, अब कैसे पालूंगा मैं इसे। अरे रमाकांत, क्या हुआ, लड़की या लड़का? क्या लड़की हुई है? क्या बदकिस्मत है रमाकांत तेरा, तो कैसे पालेगा इसे?
अब क्या करूं मैं इस बच्ची का।
एक मासूम सी जान को पैदा होते ही मानुस माना जाता है।
इट्स अ गर्ल।
It's all right, it's a girl. Let's make her a teacher. It will be a secure job for her. Let's get her married to NRI so that she'll be well settled in her life.
While her choice is a doctor or an engineer or an actor, her life choice are decided the moment she is born.
क्या खेल खेल, सिर्फ जैसी चीज को खेलने पर नहीं, घर के कामों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए। कल को ससुराल जाके क्या करेगी, हमारा नाम ही डुबाएगी। चल अंदर।
एक लड़की से उसका बचपना भी छीना जाता है। एक लड़की है तो खेल भी नहीं सकती।
Why are you playing out there? Just get inside and study. Only if you study and get a good job, finding an NRI will be easy for us. We can get you married with a lesser dowry. Get in.
Playing is restricted. Reason: grooms need educated mothers for his children. Again, if you are overly qualified, no match.
किधर जा रही है?
कॉलेज में एडमिशन कराने के लिए जा रही हूँ।
क्यों?
क्यों मतलब क्या, पढ़ाई करने के लिए। भैया को पढ़ाते ना, मेरे को क्यों नहीं पढ़ाते?
नहीं नहीं, तेरी जैसी चीज पे खर्च नहीं कर सकते। तेरा भाई कमाने वाला है, कल को कमा के लाएगा। पर तू पढ़ के क्या करेगी? ऊपर से तेरी शादी पे भी खर्च करना है।
क्या उसे पढ़ने का हक भी नहीं है?
Where are you going?
I want to pursue my 11th standard.
Why?
Brother is studying, right? Don't I have right to study?
If you cross your age for marriage, who do you think will get married to you? Just get married first and then study if your husband lets you study.
She is no doubt given a chance to study, but it's not she who decides what she wants to do with her qualifications.
क्या चीज है यार।
कैसे मटक मटक के चल रही है।
ये तब की बात है जब लड़कियां बुर्का, साड़ी और चूड़ीदार पहन के निकलती थी।
Oh man, she's hot.
She looks like a bomb, dude.
Why will she wear such a short dress when she's not inviting us?
Okay, please stop.
No matter what we wear, the fault always lies on our end.
किधर से आ रही है?
नौकरी से आ रही है, आपको मालूम ना, मैं जॉब कर रही करके।
जॉब करेगी?
हाँ।
वो भी लड़कों से मिलके?
लड़कों से मिलके नहीं, मैं जॉब मेरे लिए कर रही हूँ, पैसा कमाने के लिए। इधर लड़कों का चक्कर कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ लड़के जॉब कर सकते। क्या लड़कियों को अधिकार नहीं है क्या माँ?
लोग क्या सोचेंगे?
मम्मी बाय, मैं जा रही हूँ।
Where is she going at this hour?
Job, night shifts. Night shifts? Oh my God, she works late at night with men.
क्या करना जी, मेरे कर्मा. How did you even allow her to go? That too at this hour.
I can't do anything. She's not listening to me.
Parents start forcing her to get married as they start seeing her as a burden and feel that job is not what a woman is meant to do. Bosses will treat them and try to take advantage of their position. To avoid all this, if she finally chooses to marry some, then it goes the other way.
हाँ ठीक है, बैठो। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? किधर तक पढ़ी हो? खाना पकाना आता है तुमको? बर्तन धोना आता है? मेरे बेटे को अच्छे से ख्याल रख पाओगे? ठीक है। शादी के बाद भी ऐसे ही संस्कार रहना, वो जीन्स वीन्स कुछ भी नहीं पहनना, ठीक है? समझ में आया? जी ठीक है। What's your name?
I am Shreya.
Till where you have studied?
I've done my PhD.
PhD is it equal to 10th class?
It's a doctorate.
Oh God.
Okay.
Okay. But still, what I feel is like though you have studied so much, at the end of the day you have to do the household works. Got it? I want my daughter-in-law to be doing the household works. Understood?
Am I not allowed to work after my marriage?
Obviously not. Who will take care of my pampered son? So definitely you have to sit at home and do everything. Got it? Priya, wait. Wait.
Her wishes are criticized. It's not how a man treats her or how his character is. It's about how well he earns and how secure his job is.
घर के सारे काम मुझे ही करना पड़ता है. मेरे लिए तो मुझे टाइम भी नहीं मिल रहा.
औरत का काम पति को खुश रखना, घर का ख्याल रखना, ज्यादा मुंह मत चला, जो बोला वही कर, ठीक है?
उसे क्या करना है, उसे क्या चाहिए, एक कोई नहीं पूछता. बस उसका मुंह बंद करवा दिया जाता है.
So long that we came out like this, no? Yes. I miss coming out like this so much.
Even me too. Because of this work schedules, I couldn't make time with you.
By the way, I had something to talk to you.
Tell me, what is it?
I want to work. I recently got graduated from my BEd, so I think I want to work.
Okay, but who will manage our kids?
It's
Who's going to
okay.
take care of them? Who will
I'm
make
trying
them
to
study?
manage, no?
It's not going to happen. You are working and I am working. How can we even manage that?
There are so many people out there who are managing
Okay,
work
now
and all.
don't compare yourself with outside people.
Why can't I? Even I want to work.
No,
Why?
you can't work. That's
Irony of these days is that society convinces a woman that she can't handle job and kids at the same time, while she is the same person who's capable of handle the household finances, household works, and also the kids all at the same time. Many of us might have thought, thank God, we are not facing this. Our choices are not restricted, but there are many girls out there who are not allowed to live their life as they wish to. They are not allowed to play, study, and are deprived of their childhood. Decisions of the society that they live in are more dominant than their own voice. They are confined in cases of sexual harassments, acid attacks, rape, domestic violence, dowry, and so on. According to Indian statistics and estimates, each year at least 1.5 million girls under 18 years get married in India. At least 40% of young girls are not allowed for education. Each day, around 88 rape cases are reported. About 25% of women are victimized by domestic violence. Many girls and women are still silent against these crimes. They choose to suffer in silence. Though we have half of the women being forced to stay inside the four walls. Some voices echoed so loudly they broke the wall of pressures, humiliation, discrimination, and inequality. While women were never given voice in family decisions and finances. We now have a woman as a finance minister of our country. Many women, from Pratibha Patel, Indira Gandhi, and Kiran Bedi to Priyanka Chopra, PV Sindhu, and Manasa Varanasi. There are women in almost every field. To all the women who are trying to make their voice heard, the others who are still trying to make a way out. Here is a short poem in respect of women. On this very occasion of Women's Day, she is a mother who cooks and cares. She is a daughter who stands for her family in times of despair. She is a sister who is like a mother when their needs arises. She is a wife who sacrifices her dreams and ambitions yet is despised. She as woman stands strong and bold against people who say that kitchen is her world. She as a woman walks out of her home carrying responsibilities, commitments, harassments as thick as foam. She as a woman is sometimes convinced that she lacks a voice and in pain. She winced. A mother, a daughter, a sister and a wife are just fragments of roles that she handles with grace all her life. When she decides to put down everything and stand tall, she can turn holy water to hell fire and befall.